Welcome back. Now let us learn statistical and probability functions. First, let us plot the standard normal curve. I hope you recollect this concept from your statistics course, and I hope you know what is standard normal curve. So let us plot it, then I'll explain. So I'm running from line number 491 to 493. So I'm running these three lines, and see, it has drawn it. I'm making it a quick. This is standard normal curve it has drawn. So what it has done it, let me explain you the code. So in line 491, it has one variable, this vector -3 to 3. This is divided into the 30 breakpoints, that is small. And line 492, it has got the normal density function with around mean 0 and standard deviation 1. This is the requirement of standard normal curve. Okay. So on the y-axis, we have already calculated the normal density, and x-axis is the 3 sigma, divided in small piece. And we are using the plot to plot it. The type L means line. That is what you see, the line. Okay, so that is how you can draw the normal curve. Now, if you want to know the any cumulative normal data, let me explain what is the meaning of this. I hope you recollect. Let me bring out the statistics PPT so that you recollect. I'm opening the basic statistics, which is already there in this course. It's loading. Let it come. It's loading a bit slow. Looks like my laptop is a little slow now. Okay, yes, over here. If you see, this is what? -3 to 3. That is a 3 sigma both sides. And suppose this is what I'm trying to say, that if you want to figure it out, the value of 1.96. So here you have the Z value, that will be 1.96 will be somewhere here. And what is the area? This area, all the left side of this one. Then you can figure it out using the function called P norm. This is the cumulative normal probability. Okay, so it gives you the area on the left side of it. So 1.96, it will give you the value if you run it, 496. So it is giving the 0.975. So 97.5%. That is true, very much true. And you know that around 1.96, that gives you around 95% on the left side. Now, if you have that area itself, it is just reverse of that. If you have the area, then it can give you the what is the Z value for that. I'm running 497. See, it has given for 1.96. This is around 1.96. So this 1.96 will be, that will be again here for 97.5% of area. Okay. Now, if you want to generate any normal curve and with a different mean and standard deviation, this is way. So this line at 499, it is saying it is trying to generate a dummy data of normal distribution of around 100 data points with mean 50 and standard deviation 10. and this is how you can generate it if you need for any other purpose. And similarly for uniform and Poisson distribution, and there are many other distributions, those are available in R. So definitely you can get a lot of the distribution over here. Okay. Now let us see that few of the things about the measurement of the shape. So let us go ahead and run the ggplot. We'll draw it, and the numeric column we have put the MPG. If you want to know the skewness, skewness is defined in a multiple library. We'll be using from E1071, and this is having a skewness. So let us see the 509 skewness is giving, and if you run the skewness, this is giving NaN, YNN. Let me see YNN. It is the okay. I think 507. I have not run. Sorry for that. Okay. Now let me running a 509. Okay, so train, is it having anything? No. Okay. So train is, I think, still that old data frame. So let me load the train data this again. Train. No problem. This happens when you try to work with multiple things together. It happens. So I'm loading this again. Okay, over here. So now, yes, now it should work. Okay, it has done. See, it has done it. Let us print the skewness. This skew is saying 0.45, and you know what is the meaning of 0.45? It has been explained in statistics class. So it is simply saying that it is a little bit right positive, and let us see the Courtois. Courtois is coming minus 0.45. You can that the peak is below, that is smallest negative side, little bit bottom. This is what it is. So and let us try to see what this graph is. Let me draw this first, and then I will explain you. Let me draw this graph first. It is drawing, and yes, it has drawn. Let me see. Okay, it is still drawing. Okay, see, it has drawn that this histogram, and there's one line as well as this green line. Let us see that what it is doing. So it has done everything, and as well as if you see the title, we have printed skewness and Courtois. So what it is doing drawing the histogram. It is doing the density function, that is the color red which you see over here, that is density function, plus it is a vertical line at the mean, at the average of this value. This is the line. Okay, and title is having a skewness and Courtois. So we are seeing everything in the graph, and the meaning of all this graph I have explained in statistics class. And that's all for this one. Okay, that's all for this one, and we'll learn a few more things in the next class. Thanks a lot for watching it. See you in the next one.